Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over are observing Black Day today. Turkish President calls on Turks to boycott French goods. Japan and the United States began major military exercise around Japan. Today, 7% died while more than 50 got injured in IED blast in madrassa in Peshawar, Pakistan. India and United States signed a military agreement on sharing sensitive satellite data. Pakistan has reported 6 coronavirus deaths and 773 new positive cases in one day. Protests break out in Italy over new coronavirus restrictions. In Islamabad Pakistan Quaid-e-Azam University shut down after 5 COVID cases found.